2-methyl. Here 2-methyl is a secondary suffix, 2-methyl butane, 2-methyl butane. Here 2-methyl is secondary suffix. Now let's so the secondary suffix also according to there are Fluoro, Chloro, Bromo, Iodo, Nitro, Amino. If these are prefixes, so these are named according to Fluoro, Chloro, Bromo, Iodo, Nitro, Amino, and alkyl groups are named according to. So if this is substituent attached, we will write it methyl, and if C2H5 attached, we will write it ethyl. So from ethane, ethyl. So if this is attached, we will write it propyl. So these are prefix, secondary prefix. So now we will discuss about name of IUPAC according IUPAC name. So the correct order of IUPAC name is secondary suffix plus primary secondary prefix plus primary prefix plus word root plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. Okay. So if I write this compound, so the name of this compound is what will be the name of this compound? So according to so numbering is done. So at carbon 1 there is a secondary suffix. So primary suffix according to the double bond and a word root from number. So I will write 3-methyl but 1-ene 1-one. So this is secondary prefix. So but is word root and ene is primary suffix and ol is secondary suffix. So the name is this. So word root, prefix, word root. Primary prefix is cyclo. If there is the compound is cyclic in nature, then primary prefix is attached. Okay. So next is naming according to their families. So for alkane, the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. There are single bond. So first member is CH4 and the common name is methane or marsh gas and the IUPAC name is also methane. C2H6, the common name is ethane and IUPAC name is also ethane. Accordingly, the prefix is methyl and ethyl. So if I write alkene, formula is CN, H2N and CnH2n. There will be one double bond. So the first member is CH2CH2. The name is Ethylene is common name and IUPAC name. Ethylene is common name and Ethene is IUPAC name. So if there are 3 carbon, the name is propylene and the IUPAC name is propene. If there are 4 carbon, the name is methylene and the common IUPAC name is but2ene. So accordingly, the number of double bond is given but2ene. Next is alkyne. Formula is CnH2n and -2. So first member is that which has 2 carbon, as at least one triple bond is must. So CH, triple bond CH. The common name is acetylene, and the IUPAC name is from 2 carbon eth and ine for triple bond ethyne. Common name is acetylene and IUPAC name is ethyne. Next member is 3 carbon methyl acetylene. Its common name is methyl acetylene and IUPAC name is propyne. Prop for 3 carbon, ine for triple bond. So if I write 4 carbon here, so there are 2 types of 4 carbon in which the triple bond is at second position and triple bond at first position. So if triple bond at second position, the common name is dimethyl acetylene. And the IUPAC name is but2ine and but1ine. Here the common name is ethyl acetylene. Okay, and IUPAC name is but1ine. So next family is alcohol. So general formula is CnH2n plus 1 OH. So we may write it ROH, where R is a alkyl group. Okay. And the suffix, secondary suffix is ol. So the name of first member is CH3OH. So common name is methyl alcohol and IUPAC name is methanol. Next member is CH25OH. Common name is ethyl alcohol, and IUPAC name is ethanol. Okay. Next member is aldehyde. So the general formula is RCHO, which means also write RC likewise. So this is aldehyde group, and the suffix is al. Suffix is al. So the first member is in which there is a one carbon. So this is first member. So the common name is formaldehyde, and IUPAC name is for one carbon methanol. For two carbon the common name is acetaldehyde, and the IUPAC name is ethanol. Okay. So next member is ketone. So ketone, the general formula is RCO R dash. Okay. R may or may not be equal to R dash. So the first member, so and the suffix is on. Secondary suffix is on. So the first member of the family is that carbon in which there are 3 carbon, and the central carbon has carbonyl group. So the common name of this compound is acetone, and IUPAC name is propane non, propanone, and for 4 carbon, so the common name is ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. The common name is given according to, so methyl ethyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. E is preferred before methyl according to alphabetical order. So in IUPAC name, the name is for 4 carbon butane 2 on. So butanone. Okay. Next member is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid, the functional group is COOH. It is also written as COH, and the suffix is oic acid. So the first member of the family is which has only 1 carbon, so which is of acid. So the first member of the family is, common name is formic acid, from formic acid, and the IUPAC name is methanoic acid for 1 carbon. So methanoic acid. Oic acid is a suffix. So methanoic acid for 2 member carbon. So the common name is acetic acid, and the IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Okay. So next member is acid amide, and the functional group is CONH2, and the suffix is amide. So first member of the family is CONH2H. So name is formamide, and IUPAC name is methaneamide. E of N is omitted. The name is methaneamide. For 2 carbon, this is also read. For 2 carbon, the name is acetamide, and common name IUPAC name is ethaneamide. Next is RCN cyanides. So this is general formula, and the name is, the first member is CH3CN and the common name is methyl cyanide. And the common IUPAC name is ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile. Second member is C2H5CN ethyl cyanide and propane nitrile. Okay. Next member is amine, RNH2. So first member is, the suffix is amine, CH3 NH2. Common name is methylamine. Methylamine. The IUPAC name is methane amine. E of N is methanamine, and the common name for next compound is ethylamine and ethane amine. Ethane amine. Okay.